Our baby's skin is delicate, so the care we give should be just as gentle and safe. With a grandmother's love and time honored Ayurvedic ingredients crafted using modern scientific technology, comes the Green Cuddle Ayurvedic Baby Care range. Gentle and safe for your baby's soft, tender skin. Specially created for your little one. For gentle cleansing, baby wash. For daily skin hydration, baby lotion. For a loving massage, massage oil. To protect from rashes, baby cream. For comfortable breathing, baby rub. Each product is made with trusted Ayurvedic ingredients carefully chosen from nature. Aloe vera for cooling and soothing the skin. Coconut oil for moisturizing and protection. Milk and almond for softness and nourishment. Turmeric and tulsi for skin protection. Rice and green gram for gentle cleansing. Ghee and sesame for deep nourishment. Kunkilium and vetiver for cooling and balance. Eucalyptus, tulsi, turmeric and mint for easy breathing and better sleep. All Green Cuddle products are lightweight, fast absorbing, perfect for everyday use, easy to include in your daily care routine, and they are free from parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, artificial colors, and artificial fragrances. Choose natural care for your baby starting today.